Audio Jungle.
Welcome to the iPhone X. With the iPhone X, the device is the display. It features an all-new 5.8-inch Super Retina screen with the first OLED multi-touch display in an iPhone. There are two options for memory capacity, 64 GB and 256 GB. There is no slot for an SD card, but the device is compatible with iCloud. The iPhone X uses a nano SIM card only and is not compatible with micro SIM cards. It is powered by the A11 Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture, neural engine, and embedded M11 motion coprocessor, which basically means it's very fast and can power augmented reality experiences in games and apps. The lithium-ion battery supports up to 21 hours of talk time, 12 hours of internet, and is fast charge capable, meaning you can get up to 50% charge in 30 minutes. The iPhone X is constructed with the most durable glass ever on an iPhone. The glass is used on both the front and the back, which enables wireless charging. It has an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. The screen has an oleophobic coating to help resist fingerprints. The rear cameras have optical image stabilization and fast lenses for taking pictures and videos in low light. The wide-angle and telephoto cameras enable both optical and digital zoom of up to 10 times for photos and 6 times for videos. A tiny space at the top of the phone houses sophisticated technology that is unique to the iPhone X, including depth-sensing cameras that use facial mapping to optimize selfies and sensors that enable Face ID. With Face ID, you can unlock your phone just by looking at it. Face ID even uses machine learning to sense when you change your hairstyle or grow a beard. But don't worry, it won't unlock your phone with a picture of your face. The iPhone X runs on iOS 11, which has new features and capabilities like the all-new App Store and more camera filters. Portrait mode uses the dual cameras to create depth of field that keeps your subject sharp while creating a beautifully blurred background. You can also add impressive studio-quality lighting effects to your portrait mode images. The True Depth camera in iPhone X even lets you take a selfie in portrait mode. There's a little bit of a learning curve with the iPhone X because you no longer have the home button interface. This means there are new gestures and key combinations to learn to operate the device and navigate through and between applications. You can wake up the iPhone X with a tap of the screen. Once inside, the first thing you will notice is that the home button has been replaced with the home indicator located at the bottom of the screen. Simply swipe up from the home indicator to navigate home. Swipe up and hold to access the app switcher, where recent apps are displayed. Swipe through and select an app switcher card to navigate between recent apps. To close an app, either swipe up from the card or tap and hold on a card and tap the minus sign that appears on the top left of each card. To access the Control Center, swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. Use 3D Touch by applying firm pressure on a compatible app to bring up the Quick Actions menu. Once enabled in settings, you can utilize the Reachability feature for one-handed access to items at the top of the screen. When it comes to accessories, no surprises here. The same accessories we've seen with previous iPhone models: a wall plug adapter, charging cable, and earpods with lightning connector.